Experiment number 2 in electrical machines lab is related with again with synchronous machine, and last time we did indirect loading on synchronous generator. This time we are going to do direct loading on the machine, and the purpose is same. We are going to judge the performance indices of the machine, which is voltage regulation, right? So you need to have a DC motor, alternator. We will need to have a feasible load with us, right? And this is the field part of the machine, right? So within a few minutes, let us see how the connections are made, right? So this is the DC motor, which will be responsible for giving mechanical input to the machine. This is plus minus DC supply, and this is L, A, F, which are the starter terminals. So plus terminal is going to L, and starter A terminal is going to armature terminal A of DC motor. Then AA terminal is going back to minus terminal of DC supply, right? Then field terminal of starter is going to field of DC motor, and FF through rheostat it is going to minus. In this way the DC motor is connected. Next, alternator. Alternator, we have field part and armature part. In the field part we are going to connect an ammeter and rheostat, right? So plus is going to ammeter, which will read the field current, and this is going to F. FF through rheostat it is going to minus terminal. Armature terminal of alternator, we will connect two measuring meters. One will read the voltage across the alternator at on load condition and no load condition, and this will read the load current, right? So in any of the two terminal you can connect a voltmeter, okay? Any two you can take RY and connect a voltmeter. Then R, through any one line you can connect an ammeter, and that ammeter second terminal is going to load. Load is of 10 kilowatt, 3 phase, 440 volt. This is the rating of, and it is of resistive in nature, right? So another terminal of armature, this one it is going to load, and B, third terminal of armature is going to third terminal of load, okay? So in this way the connections are made.
In this way we are supposed to on the start DC motor. So here DC supply is given to the DC motor, then we apply the starter so that your DC motor will start. Then we check the speed of the DC motor. So here the speed is 1522. We have to reduce the speed and make it 1500.
Next input to the machine, one is mechanical input, another is field input. So we will on the DC supply. We will on the DC supply, right? And you can see the voltmeter. Voltmeter which is connected across the armature of alternator. Right now it is showing something 230, 240, something 240, 448. 252 volt it is showing. So we'll make it to be rated. The rated voltage of the machine is 440 volt, okay? So we'll increase it, and simultaneously we need to check the speed of the machine. The speed of the machine should be rated, right? The speed of the machine should be rated. So I am increasing the rheostat of field rheostat of alternator, okay? But simultaneously we need to check the speed also, okay?
It is 1498.
So the voltage is maintained at 400 volt, right? 400. Speed is rated. Okay? So field current which is required to generate 400 volt is 0.6. Okay, now we'll on the load, we will switch on the load. Load current is 0. Okay, we'll switch on the load. Load current is 0. Now we'll switch on the load. Okay, so we have applied 2 ampere of load to the machine.
We have to maintain speed, madam.
We have to maintain the speed constant. It is 1500 RPM.
5 volt. हाँ, जास्त. बस थोडा सांग. थोडं बस झालं. थोडं पोझिशन सांगितलं थोडं.
So you can see we have connected the load of 3 ampere. Okay, almost 50% of the rated current of the machine is 5 ampere. So the field current is 0.58, voltage is 380, and current is load current is 2.8. Okay, load current is 2.8. Okay, 5.8 is the field current. Now we'll throw off the load. Now we'll throw off the load.
थांब. चलो. कमी कर थोडं. कमी कर.
Okay.
अजून कमी कर. बस. थोडंसं वाढव. 1 पॉइंट. IF लागणार आहे टोटल 1500.
Okay. Now the speed is again rated. We have thrown off the load. Speed is rated, that is 1500 RPM, and the current should also remain same, field current. So it was 0.58. Sorry, this is 0.58. So now also after throwing the load, it should be 0.58. Now it is 0.58. You can see the open circuit voltage. This is field current, which is 0.58. When we have connected the load, it was 0.58. After disconnecting the load, also it is 0.58. Voltage is this open circuit voltage, which is 404 volt. Okay, load current is 0. Load current is 0. Okay, remember that IF and speed should be constant. Initially we have connected the load of 2.8 ampere. Now we have disconnected it, but these two parameters should be constant, right? ठीक है, चलिए ऑन कर दिया. Yes. Connect the full load to the machine up to 5 ampere, right? So see, we are
वोल्टेज क्या था?
400.
वाढव 210 कर. नाही का? आता तो अजून 10 वाढव.
See the readings.
रीडिंग
IF is 0.66, okay, and voltage is 380, and current is 5 ampere. We have loaded the machine full by connecting 5 ampere load, right? So 5 ampere, 380, and 0.67.
कमी करशील.
Now we'll
थांब.
throw off the load, right?
कर कमी. 220.
After throwing off the load, again the speed and another input to the machine IF should be constant. It was 0.67. Now also we'll maintain it to be 0.67. It is 0.67. 0.67. Okay.
1500.
Speed is 1500, current is 0, and voltage is 420. Voltage is 420. Okay, so these are the observations. Let us see the calculation part also. Now, before calculation, we'll switch off the machine. Okay. Let us see the calculation part also. As we have discussed that we have took 50% of the set, okay, observation, then we have took full load, that is 5 ampere rating of the machine, full load we have loaded. So the loaded voltage is terminal voltage V, and the moment we have thrown off the load, this voltage is open circuit voltage. Okay, so voltage regulation for 50% load is E naught minus V by V. V is terminal voltage and E naught is open circuit voltage when we have thrown off the load. Okay, so it is 404 minus 380 by 380, that comes out to be 6.31% regulation. Okay, full load, another set 5 ampere, then we have unloaded the machine. So when we have loaded, this is terminal voltage V, this is unloaded voltage which is open circuit voltage. Okay, so 420 minus 380 by 380, 10.52%. Okay, the moment you go on increasing the loading in the machine, you can see the performance of the machine is getting poorer. It was 6.3 something percent, and then when you have connected full load, it goes to 10%. One thing you should remember while performing this experiment is you need to keep the speed constant and field excitation should be constant. As you can observe here, in set number 1 for 50% loading, 0.58 was constant for 2.8 ampere of current for 0 ampere of current. Okay, for second set also we have kept the IF and speed constant. Okay, so this thing is very important. Another thing, we have did synchronous impedance method, which was no load test. Okay, what is the difference between this test and that test is, for that test you don't need any load. Okay, that is the advantage of that experiment, but in this case you need to have the feasibility of load. Okay, for example, if you are having 10 megawatt machine, you want to judge the performance of the machine by direct loading, then you need to have that much amount of load. So this is only the lacuna of this experiment, otherwise the results are realistic. But in synchronous impedance method, the results are pessimistic because you are finding out by graphical method. So if small error also will lead to pessimistic result. But in this case, the results are realistic. We are actually loading the machine and getting the performance, but we need to have that much rating of load also. Availability of load is the issue. Otherwise, this test is best as compared to no load test. That's all.